What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Logic. Now, Logic's mission is to develop superior e-commerce technology for small to medium-sized businesses and assist them with the guidance they need to succeed against competitors of any size. So as we know, e-commerce is a huge industry. It's growing, so I'm excited to learn about the company, their technology, introduce the company to you guys. And of course, we will be interviewing their CEO, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, and it helps my videos so very much, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future updates, new companies, all of the exciting things that we bring to you guys at Departures Capital. And drop us a comment down below. Also, let us know what you think about the company. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So let's get straight into it, guys. And the first thing we're going to take a look at is, in fact, the stock price. So Logic is traded on the NEO Stock Exchange under ticker symbol LGIQ. It's got a 52-week range of $2.61 to $4.30. The stock is a relatively new IPO, trading since the later part of July. And like I said, 261 to 430, so a $90 million market cap, and the stock is looking pretty good. I mean, we did get a little bit of a pullback here, all the way down to roughly $3.30, right back up there. And who knows, it could be poised for a breakout. So this might be one to take a look at. So we're going to dive into their website now. That is logic.com. Take control of your growth. Scaling a competitive e-commerce business can be complex and costly. It doesn't have to be. Our proven solution will enable your business to accelerate revenue, not expenses. So that is the thing about e-commerce. It's so scalable, and this could turn out to be a really interesting idea. So let's learn a little bit more about the business as I introduce this company. So your customer relationships are personal. They should scale in number 2. Identify those most likely to become your customers. Utilizing our consumer intelligence, drive custom-tailored audience segments to your brand. Learn what makes your customers most engaged. Capture and score consumer engagement within our advanced consumer intent profile. And finally, extend your reach of new audiences to find new customers. Leveraging a variety of digital media mediums, we will connect you with more future consumers. So now we're going to click on the divisions tab in terms of their website, bridging the gap between brands and consumers. We provide a global suite of e-commerce, m-commerce, and fintech business enablement solutions. We'll go in a little bit more depth when we go over their investor presentation. Now we're going to check out digital marketing. So easy ad activation logic. Digital marketing gives you powerful data activation and media buying capabilities. Transform your media plans into real results. No minimums, no monthly commitment. Get in touch for more. So you can schedule a demo right there on the website. Instant data platform, in-house media buying, and elegant reporting tools. So now we're going to dive into their investor presentation to get a better idea of what the company does. So Logic simplifying e-commerce. And this is their investor presentation as of May. So we are Logic. Our vision is a world where e-commerce provides a level playing field for any company to thrive based upon the merits of their offering and execution. It is our mission to develop superior e-commerce technology for small to medium-sized businesses and assist them with the guidance they need to succeed against competitors of any size. At our essence, we connect brands to consumers by simplifying e-commerce. Investment highlights. So multifaceted growth avenues, scalable and effective platform leveraging data and further developing the platform's artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities. Established and diversified customer base. Broad range of customer relationships from small to medium-sized businesses to Fortune 1000 companies, underpinned by increased sales and marketing efforts to expand the customer base. Compelling valuation. 2020 revenue of $37.9 million represents a 2.5 times trading multiple, a significant re-rating opportunity compared to peers trading at 25 times, which, the numbers don't lie. Experienced management team. The team has a long track record of success and value creation. So now let's talk about the opportunity. E-commerce is making up an increasingly larger portion of total retail sales worldwide. Because of this, businesses are aggressively investing in their e-commerce programs to remain competitive in the years ahead. Logic is the answer for companies looking to accelerate their e-commerce growth. So retail e-commerce sales worldwide in the trillions. As we can see here, guys, it's been growing, and the growth rate has been increasing on a percentage basis. 2019, 14%, 2020, 16%, 2021, 17%, and then we're projected to see 20% and 22%, 2022 to 2023. So that's very significant. And as we know, e-commerce seems to be the future of retail. So Logic revenue streams, so their app Logic provides businesses and consumers with mobile app development, logistics, and fintech solutions, and Data Logic helps small to medium-sized agencies and brands with e-commerce marketing, software, and lead generation services. So App Logic in action. The problem: emerging markets have many common challenges, the biggest being traffic on a grand scale. In densely populated urban areas like Jakarta, it can be more than an hour to travel 1 mile during normal traffic, and far worse during rush hour. How can anyone go out for lunch, at work, or pick up items for home if you have only an hour to spare during the workday? The solution: App Logic offers app-based ordering, payment, delivery. Average delivery time 14 minutes with App Logic, 45 minutes with competitors. Now this is pretty interesting. So platform as a service. This enables small to medium-sized businesses to create mobile applications for their business with limited technical knowledge and investment, promotes products and services, reaching additional customers and end users and increasing sales. Offered across Southeast Asia, Europe, and in the US in 14 languages, $2 million in quarterly revenue, accelerating post-COVID through with gross margins improved to 25% from 17%. So let's take a look. Pay Logic, 14,000 outlets, 60,000 total agents, e-wallet payment solution for small to medium-sized businesses, contactless point of sale transactions, bill, pay, and top up. Go Logic, 140,000 plus active users, 15,000 merchants, payment solutions for local food delivery service, integrated with major partners including Shopee Pay. So Data Logic in action, just to get a better idea of their business. So the problem: mega brands of the top 500 in the US control almost 70% of the US e-commerce market. This is unsustainable, as the number of D2C e-commerce companies and legacy retailers coming online increase and become the segment of growth. The solution: Data Logic, is a simplified e-commerce marketing solution that helps small to medium-sized businesses, brands, and agencies increase online sales effectively. The offering includes lead generation services and media buying and data management software. Today's digital advertising ecosystem. 20 years ago, digital advertising was purchased by negotiating directly with publishers. Today, millions of ads per second are purchased via real-time auctions. This is known as programmatic advertising. In 2021, the programmatic industry in the US is expected to reach $98 billion in ad spend, making up 68% of digital media advertising. So Data Logic: software and agency services for e-commerce marketing, lead generation services across 10 plus leading industries to deliver qualified consumer contact information, performance marketing services that drives qualified consumer traffic to clients' websites, curated consumer profiles for digital marketing execution, self-serve digital marketing platform for media buying and consumer data management across open web and connected TV media, artificial intelligence-based consumer engagement algorithm for advanced media buying methods. Agency: 2020 revenue of 15.2 million USD with a 17.8% gross margin. Software launched March 30th, 2021. Gross margin accretive. So their clients and partners. Logic has worked with many partners from around the world, including Deepex Worldwide Express Singapore, PTE Limited Indonesia, BTG Corp Public Company Limited Thailand, Agacom Telecom SA France. Major clients: Logic technology is being used by several major brands: Sunrun, Purple, and Quinn Street. Those are all NASDAQ listed companies. So quick financials at a glance. 2020 results: revenues of 37.9 million, transitioning to higher margin business. Gross profit up 2% to 6.4 million, or 16.8% of revenue, a 31% compound annual growth rate, 2016 to 2020. The company also seems to have a highly experienced management team, which, of course, as part of your own personal due diligence on any company, you should always take a look at the management team to make sure that it fits the bill for your own personal criteria. We will be interviewing the CEO, like I said, so make sure to stay tuned to Departures Capital for that interview. I'm excited to bring that to you guys. And that's it for the introduction, guys. So Logic appears to be an interesting, innovative e-commerce technology company. So if you're bullish on the e-commerce industry and the tech side of things, improving the efficiency of that industry, which, I do think that there's lots of potential there, Logic might be one stock for you guys to take a look at. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what your personal thoughts are. I love to hear them, good or bad. And we're out of here. Always remember, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. And last but not least, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.